Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI with one of my absolute favorite snacks. I love these Lay's barbecue potato chips because they have a little bit of spice and they have that nice sweetness to them, and they are just absolutely delicious. This is a super thin chip, so it's really crispy and has a great crunch to it. And these little individual bags are perfect for me because I have a small snack and I won't eat like a whole family size bag. So it is good for portion control and also great for portability. These are the perfect little companion for me when I'm having a sandwich for lunch, and they just add a little bit of nice crunch on the side, and they are super addictive. So you really can't go wrong with a delicious side of crunchy potato chips. I personally love these barbecue ones, but they do come in other flavors as well, and also plain potato chips. But these are a great option for any time of day. So if you're looking for the perfect savory crunch, then definitely check out these chips from Lay's. That's my point of view.